I'm Jason Gilbert, the Medical Director of Cell Regen. We specialise in mild hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Now, why I'm here is to explain to you not only about the incredible benefits of mild hyperbaric therapy, but also how it works. But before that, a little bit about my journey. My journey started more than 15 years ago when I had extreme mercury toxicity from removing my fillings incorrectly. Now, at that time, this modality was extremely important alongside other modalities to help my body detox. At the time, I didn't understand how that worked. I just knew that I was feeling better and better and my bodily function was coming back to normal. And more recently, after I've been using one regularly with my own clients, I'm learning more and more about the incredible benefits that mild hyperbaric oxygen therapy offers. Many people understandably think this is a miracle, but in reality, we can't forget that the miracle is your body and what it does with oxygen. The chamber itself pressurizes, in order to be able to allow 80 to 95% oxygen that you breathe in the chamber, into your body. Now, what's really important to understand is that we rely via respiration on red blood cells to carry oxygen. Now, there's 21% oxygen in air, and that oxygen, usually for most of us, occupies a saturation level of 96 to 99%. So if we want to introduce more oxygen, but rely on the red blood cells, they're almost 100% saturated. So that's not that effective if we need to get it to areas of the body that are deprived of oxygen. How the miracle of the hyperbaric chamber works is that under pressure, this oxygen is actually forced into the plasma. And the plasma is the liquid that carries the red blood cells all over the body. Now you can imagine over time, when we have microtraumas, injuries, past illnesses of every tissue of our body, from our brain to our liver to our intestine to our muscles, that if those areas have been deprived of oxygen due to a compromised blood flow, but we can, via the use of the mild hyperbaric oxygen chamber, deliver that oxygen, then the tissue does the miracle. And this is why I'm being blown away by what I'm seeing from my own clients in regards to their health challenges improving. It's not a treatment. It's giving your body a requirement of life, and that's oxygen. Most of us exercise, we get out in nature, we focus on breath work and other really important practices to oxygenate our body, and that's fantastic. But we can't always do that and rely on that when we have certain challenges, when we want to invest in our longevity or improve our performance. And this is why the use of mild hyperbaric oxygen therapy is growing faster than ever. There's more science, more research backing this now than ever before, even though it's been around a very long time. There's a whole array of problems, conditions, situations where the body is reacting to and therefore improving not only how the person feels and their symptoms, but also its function. We can't always control the elements, the fundamentals of health. And there aren't that many. Good quality water, oxygen, good quality food, movement, sleep. But the ones we can control, we should. If you've never tried a chamber, I really suggest that you try one, understand how they work, incorporate the use of a mild hyperbaric oxygen chamber in your life regularly.